redtag.ca.
Hey, honey, do you know that many great vacation spots are now open to welcome travelers again? I want to go away, but I feel so uneasy about planning a trip right now.
Not to worry, just book with redtag.ca. They now offer redtag.ca's trip assurance. Our trip will be protected.
What's that?
redtag.ca's trip assurance. It has flexible options like changing our travel plans, transferring vacation packages, and other great bonus perks. Plus, we can pay for it using their monthly payment plan and get air miles too.
So we can book our trip with peace of mind and worry-free?
Exactly.
Great, let's go!
redtag.ca.